Enough is enough, can we stop this war? Too many lives we can't ignore. The world is tired of the endless pain. We need some sunshine after the rain. Hunger is rising in every street, while the rich stay safe in luxury seats. What kind of system are we living in, where humanity feels like a distant dream? End this war, just let it go. Walk the path where the kind hearts grow. Future generations will ask you, why did you choose hate while hope ran dry? End this war, hear the call. If we don't stand now, we might just fall. The world is begging for peace today, so end this war, don't turn away. This game of power, this race for gold has turned warm hearts icy cold. East or west, it's all the same. Too many lives lost in the name of gain. Soldiers standing on the line, dreaming of peace in the world unkind. If there's a deal, then make it real, or stop pretending the wounds will heal. We all need another broken dream, another child lost in the silent scream. It's time to rise, it's time to stand, not with a weapon, but hand in hand. Let it end, make this world a place we defend. People everywhere